Today, I'm going to be making a jewelry making supply box. Now, this box is going to be themed, and the theme I'm going to use is love. Love, family, friendship, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a few pieces on the bottom of the jewelry box. They're not even going to know it in the listing when they see it. They're not going to see this. I'm going to show, the nice top of it so they know what they're going to get. But underneath some of this jewelry, I'm going to throw in some pretty pieces of packaged jewelry. Nothing really expensive, but I have a lot of packaged jewelry, stuff that can be used because I'm not going to list it. So I'm going to have little surprises in these boxes for these people. So when they open it, it's not just going to be, but there's going to be stuff, little items in there that they're going to be thinking, oh, maybe this box is worth it. So I want it to be a nice experience for the customer. I want them to know what they're looking for. I want them to get an idea of, I just want them to have a nice experience when they're opening up the box. So now this is eBay. So if I was selling on my own website or something, the box, I may have like a different, packaging, pretty packaging and stuff like this, but we're going with the basic eBay. Everything is going to be packaged great. I'm going to use a brown bag inside to hold the jewelry, and it's not just, I'm not just going to throw the jewelry in here, but yeah, so let's get into picking out some supplies for this box. Thought this would be a pretty piece to add. This little glass pendant. Bunch of little things here. I'm going to pick out just a couple of them to add into this little craft jewelry making supply box. Some nice little The Fault in Our Stars. Love, young love. Necklace. I'm going to take it out of the package. I'm adding these in the bottom for a little surprise for when the buyer opens up her box and she sees these little extras that, she can keep for herself. It's by Catherine's. Pretty pinks. I'm going to add that in there. I'll give her one more angel. How about this one? Wish Saver Angel. We're going to add another little heart. We're going to add a cross in for some faith. I'm going to add some spring colors in. This is just a strand of beads, acrylic. about this pretty one in open work? Okay, we did enough little hearts. Let's see. I see some rose quartz in here. Teardrop shape. There's a little floral rose pattern in rose quartz. We're going to add 2 more in there for these beads. We're going to add some of them. She's going to love them. Why don't we add some amethyst? Some little watch parts. Little pack of turquoise. How about a pack of red jasper? I want this to be a nice little lot for her or him. Red jasper. This came in one of my boxes, but I think I'm going to add it in. Pretty, it's different. Kind of go little strand of faux pearl beads. Some of these in. They're little beads. Pack of these. Looks like there's a few earring backs and some little rings. Add a few of these pretty floral beads, glass beads. That one's Christmas. We won't put that one in there, but spring's just around the corner. We'll add some in for a little bit more. I'm going to add some unakite in. I'm going to take a couple of these out. I'll show you what they look like. Some pinks and greens. I'm going to give her some amethyst. show you. And I'm just going to put the pack in there. I'm going to add these in. Looks like there's some rings in there and some earring backs. I'm going to keep them in this baggie. I'm going to add them in and keep them on the side. Add some little teardrop. Add some little teardrop crystals. I'm going to give her some of these silver beads. Add a strand of white. I'm going to add another little cross. Some of these. These are gorgeous. These are glass. Add some more whites. Add this little dragonfly. This little friend necklace. We're going to throw in a little baggie of pearlized earrings. Shoot. I'm going to add in this little bracelet. It says Soul Sisters. I'm going to add in this pink fashion bracelet. Some little heart earrings. We're going to add in some red. I'm going to add this little bag of beads. Somebody took apart different things. Maybe she'll find some beads that she wants out of it. Earrings, some blank ones. for her. Buttons. Little findings. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them in the box or not though, because it's going to put some weight on it, but a lot of people like having these little cases. 3 findings. And I think I'm going to add the case in with this one. Looks like it's some kind of glue, glitter glue. Another string and a purple glue. We're going to add some mother of pearl rings. Little beads. Some stick pins. Found some black hearts, hematite. Flower charm. We're going to add some gold ones too. We're going to give her some flat stones. Not exactly sure which ones they are. There's a mixture of them. Little gemstone. To a necklace, like a magnetic part. Some fun charms. Watermelon for the spring. Flower. Okay. Now, let's see what's up. Oh, jewelry, making people do a lot of stuff. With broken jewelry that's not used. Alright, let's get some more. I give out 2 pounds or so. In the video what it all did weigh though, and the shipping, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the flat rate. I think last night I looked at medium flat rate box is actually $16 and I think 95 cents. I could be wrong, but if you go through eBay it might be a little bit cheaper. I'm not sure, but I'm probably going to use the flat rate box. All right, let's see, what did I do with those? This red in. I expect this stuff to be taken apart, used in some kind of way. Thinking of spring. But this does have a little, he's missing here, but they may be able to use this part for something. It's a bunch of chains in there. Some blue. Blues and pinks. We can take them apart. Pretty beads on here if they want to take them apart. Poison A. But you see that bead right there, it's all worn off, so nice little pendant. Earring. I got in there. I don't know what it is. That's what the bag says, so. Some flowers. Mother in different languages. Red necklace. Now some of this stuff is wearable, and do what you want with it. They could take it up. You could take it apart. Jadestone heart. Another heart. Some more. Oh, I forget the name of these, but they are natural. They are nice. It's a necklace. It's in. Looks like abalone shell. Over gold. A little bit of black, just a little bit of this. red. You can take them off here and do what they want or leave it as it is. This is, I was going to put this in. Maybe I'll just put it in, but this is broken, a little dragonfly. It's not broken, but the pin keeps on coming out of the, put that in there. It is just a craft making, basically that's what I'm doing it for. Put some more of these in there. So I'm going to add these in, just because of the colors. Valentine's Day. Yeah, see the back is yucky on that. Just the glue, but I'm gonna add that in there. Just a single earring. For the spring. Do I get all of this? Blacks in here. Bunch of chokers. Butterfly. Memories. Put this little locket in here. Heart ring. Gonna add an Easter bunny. Pin. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. We're going to add the other earring in. I think these are celluloid or celluloid.
flowers in there. What they are. Some little findings. Rhinestones in. This glass, nice faceted glass beads, really pretty and shimmery. That's one of the reasons I want to put that in. Discolored, but hopefully you enjoyed this. They have that romantic green floral theme.